Hey there! If you've ever tried to lose weight but felt overwhelmed by strict diets or confusing nutrition advice, you're definitely not alone. That's why Lose Weight by Balancing Macros. Protein offers a different approach, one that focuses on understanding how your body actually works instead of restricting everything you eat. This ebook explains the role of macronutrients, especially protein, and how balancing them can help you feel full, maintain muscle, and support a healthier metabolism. Instead of cutting out foods, it teaches you how to combine them in a smarter, more sustainable way. What makes it really helpful is how simple everything is explained. You don't need advanced knowledge or complicated plans. Whether you're just starting or you've tried other methods before, the information is easy to follow and practical for everyday life. It's not about quick fixes or extreme rules. It's about building habits that you can actually stick with, and that's what makes a real difference over time. You'll also be able to go through the ebook at your own pace, since it's delivered as a digital download, making it easy to fit into your routine. If you're looking for a balanced and realistic way to approach weight loss, this could be exactly what you need. Check out Lose Weight by Balancing Macros, protein using the link in the description, and see if it fits your goals.